Yo, here's why you should join Nexus Snap today. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Nexus Snap is blowing up right now. More and more people are starting to talk about this new network marketing opportunity. So if you haven't heard of Nexus Snap or Nexus Rewards, they're the same company. They are in the cash back and savings industry, which is a multi-billion with the B dollar industry. All right. So here's the thing. A lot of people are starting to talk about Nexus now because of the fact that you can actually benefit by just being a member. All right. Without having to refer nobody or even wait for spillover, you can actually save money and make money just by using the apps and the benefit programs within Nexus, right? So that in itself is dope, all right? But the actual compensation plan, when you actually look at it and see how you can make money and how you can start building up a monthly recurring income, is super dope. Why do I say you should join Nexus Snap today? All right. Well, here's why. I just was in the Facebook group, and officially Nexus Snap has just hit 5,000 members. All right. So you might be thinking, okay, so what? So if you're watching the video, I'm sure you probably heard of Live Good. All right. And as I'm recording this video, Live Good came out a year ago. And a lot of people were talking about how, man, they wish they would have joined Live Good, because now Live Good has hit over a million members, which is incredible. So a lot of people who said, oh man, I should have joined Live Good when they were back, when they were at 50,000 members, 25,000 members. Man, I wish I could have been in at the beginning of Live Good. A lot of people saying that, right? And to be fair, all right, like Live Good is still brand new, right? And Live Good still got room for a ton of growth, but a lot of people are like, man, I ain't messing with Live Good. They got too many members. So now you have another opportunity with a mass appeal because it's in the cash back and savings industry, right? And have a very similar compensation plan than Live Good. And actually you could make more from their compensation plan than Live Good, but they only have 5,000 members. This is how new this opportunity is. Now, keeping it real, more and more people are joining every day. But as I'm recording this video, we're a little over 5,000 members. Think about that for a second. 5,000 members in a new company that is getting more and more popular. That is nothing, right? So for all the people that was like, man, I wish I could have gotten to Live Good. I wish I could have been in the first 50,000 people or 20,000. Like, you can be right now as I'm recording this video, you can be in the first 50,000 people of Nexus Snap, right? Because Nexus Snap, our goal as a company is to hit 1 million like Live Good did. Why not? Because of the fact that the product appeals to such a mass amount of people, there's no reason why Nexus can't get to 100,000 people in the next 6 months. There's no reason why Nexus can't get to 1 million people in the next year, right? So if you're watching this opportunity, you're like, oh, it sound good, but I don't know, right? You don't want to be that person a year from now or 2 years from now who say, man, I wish I could have got in Nexus Snap. I wish I could have got in at the beginning, right? I wish I would, man, I should have joined, right? Like, you're in that position right now to be a part of a company and say you were in at the very beginning. And the fact that there's only 5,000 members in Nexus right now is a good thing for two reasons. One, that lets you know that a lot of people have not heard of this opportunity. So it's a lot easier to promote than Live Good is right now. And for the people that, really get hung up on spillover and everything, right? A lot of people say, well, for you to get a chance to spill over an opportunity, you need to be one of the first people in them, right? So that's debatable, but you know what I'm saying? If you are in at the beginning, it gives you a better chance, I stress, better chance to get spillover, because when it comes to network marketing opportunities, like whenever you join, right? When other people join, they have to go under people that's already in the company. So imagine if you are in the first 5, 10, 20, 50,000 people in this opportunity, and the company gets to 1 million, if it gets to 1 million, hopefully it does, you know what I mean? All them people got to go under people, right? So the earlier you get into a new opportunity, the better the chance you're going to get of getting spillover. But if you're watching this video, damn spillover. Like, run with this opportunity. Promote the shit out of this opportunity now. Take benefit now. Set yourself up to earn a big ass monthly recurring income. Go hard now. Don't join and just be like, oh, I'm getting my spillover. You can do that. You know what I'm saying? You can, but there's so much money to be made with this opportunity. Once you take a look at the comp plan, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, I am super excited to be a part of Nexus Snap and actually grow with this company, and to be able to look a year from now and be like, damn, we had 500,000 members. We had 1 million members, because I'm going to be right there. So if you want to check out Nexus Snap for yourself, all you need to do is click that first link in the description. And make sure that when you get on that page, like you want to click on something like more info or something, find the comp plan and just look at that. Just look at the comp plan. And I'm confident once you really take a look, and I am confident once you really look at this opportunity, I will be seeing you on the team.